Hey guys, how you doing? I'm out here on a new build site with Beazer Homes out here in the Powder Springs area. As you can see, a lot of these are already under contract and getting sold. We're gonna walk you through one of the models today. This is very top secret. I'm not supposed to be here. No, I'm good. But you're gonna get some first time action at this. A lot of people haven't seen these yet, and like I said, they're already flying off the market like hotcakes. So yeah, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, we are in Powder Springs, Georgia, in the Hillside Manor neighborhood of brand new build construction homes by Beazer Homes. The floor plan we are looking at today is called the Tucker. It features a first floor that is thoughtfully designed, featuring a format dining room that sets the stage for memorable gatherings. Additionally, a guest suite provides welcoming accommodations, and a private in-home study offers a tranquil space for work or creativity. This is just the perfect place to come and just relax and just lounge around. Offering homes with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, ranging from 3,313 to all the way up to 3,610 square feet. Hillside Manor not only offers a residence but a sanctuary where every detail is designed to enhance your lifestyle. You are within 5 minutes of not one but 2 Walmarts, not one but 2 Targets, not one but 2 Krogers. I mean, they have everything in doubles over here for you guys. So there's plenty of things to do, plenty of shopping, plenty of grocery. It's actually in the perfect space. You know what to do. Give me a call or a text if you're ready to come tour these beautiful neighborhood or pick out your plot. 916-272-0520. Let's get it done.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.